Hey, it's Rob. Welcome back to our series of short videos explaining what to expect when selling a home and buying a home at the same time. Today's video is a crash course on the buying process and what you know to know what to expect. Last video we covered what to expect selling a home, so go back and review that if you haven't checked it out yet. The buying process is really pretty straightforward. Just like in the last video where we talked about some prep work to do before we get a home listed and on the market, same thing has to happen when buying a home. So basically, we need to get you hooked up and connected with a mortgage lender and have that borrower's consultation and get a full pre-approval in place. What that does is it allows you to know with certainty you can move forward with the home of your dreams. The next step is to meet with me, and we can do that actually at the same time that we do that listing consultation as well. But we can talk about what you're looking for in a home, make sure that you have a thorough understanding of the home buying process, and that I have a thorough understanding of what you're looking for in that next property. Basically, at that point, once we get your current home under contract, we can begin going out there and looking for other homes and actually begin writing offers as well. It's very important we go in that order because it's going to make you a buyer that's not conditional basically on the sale of your property. And we'll explain more about that when we meet. But then we can write offers, and once we write those offers and get your offer accepted, we go through the same thing that those buyers on your home are going through, and that is we're going to do a home inspection. We're going to be able to negotiate and get you the best deal on this property. You're going to be protected by your financing and appraisal contingencies as well. And then basically we close and you get to move into your new property. It's a really straightforward process, but we're here to help. If you are thinking, because for most people want to buy a home, they're not necessarily as excited about selling their current home. If you're one of those, if you're in that boat, you're not alone. We actually have a really cool video coming up in this series. It's all about flipping that process on its head. So if you want to buy first, reach out to us and find out, or stay tuned in these videos and check out more. And check out tomorrow, where we're going to talk about getting your ducks in a row, what true pre-approval means, and how we can make sure that we protect you as a home buyer. Thank you all so much.